Hello, welcome to 5.1 day 2. Today we're going to write an equation from a description, so a word problem. We're going to do the same steps we've done before, identify the y-intercept, identify slope, and write an equation. Same vocab. Here we go. So here's my example. Greta makes clay mugs and bowls as gifts at the Crafty Studio. She pays a membership fee of $15 a month, an equipment fee of $30 an hour, to use the potter's wheel, table, and kiln. Write an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b that Greta can use to calculate her monthly costs. Now, sometimes you need to reread these a few times. That's okay. Reread it a few times. Reread it 3 times. I'm probably going to have to reread it again just to figure out where my keywords are. So when I read a word problem like this, I look for specific words. So for the slope, y equals mx plus b. Slope happens multiple times. It happens repeatedly. It happens many different times. B is usually a one-time fee. You pay it once, happens once, only once, and that's it. So I need to look for different things. So for the monthly cost, I'm going to look at, so she pays a membership fee. Now it does say fee, but pay attention. She pays $15 a month. We're calculating how much she pays in 1 month. So does she pay that membership fee multiple times in that month or just once for that month? She pays that once per month. So that is my signal to write y equals something x plus 15. Next, I got to find the words that signal it happens more than once a day. It happens more than once. And I'm going to look at the other numbers as the fee of $3 an hour. So I have to look for the words that say an hour, per hour. So I'm looking for the words an, or a, or per, or each, are big ones. An hour, per hour, each hour, for each apple, each something, per hour. Okay, so let's see. So she has to use the potter's wheel, $3 an hour. Do we know how many times she's going to use that potter's wheel? No. If it's with a unit that we don't know how many times she's going to use it. She's definitely going to use that membership fee once, but maybe she use it for 10 hours, 5 hours. We don't know. So that number is going to go next to x, so it's 3x, final answer. Let's do one more. A sales associate is given $500 hiring bonus with a new job. She earns an average commission of $250 per week for the next 12 weeks. How much does she earn? Okay, let's go look back. So a hiring bonus, what does that mean? A hiring bonus means that you get it when you sign on. You get it once. You don't get it every time. You just get it once. It's a bonus. So that should signal to you. It goes at the end, something x plus 500. And then I see this is 250 per week. That per is a big word. So that 250 is going to go right here. Final answer. All right, let's just do one more. A farm has 75 acres of wheat. The farmer can harvest the wheat from 12 acres per day. In how many days will all the fields be harvested? We don't need to answer this question. We're just going to write an equation. So we got to think, okay, a farmer has 75 acres. And he harvests wheat from 12 acres per day. So what does the word harvest mean? It means we're taking it away. They're taking it out of the ground. It's being removed. So that can mean a negative number. So we got negative 12 acres per day. There's that per word again. So we got y equals negative 12x. And then we need a b, the y-intercept. Says the farm has 75 acres. They have it. That means it's positive. So it's going to be plus 75. Final answer. Let me know if you have any questions.